There are a lot of people who think that Pi network is a scam, and a lot of them don't really have much knowledge about Picoin or about the Pi network in general. In this video, we will try to explain to you what is going on with the Pi network. Is it really a scam, or will the Pi network be the next big hit, like Bitcoin was? Hello and welcome to our channel, CryptoZip. Today, we are going to unveil everything you need to know about Picoin and its development. So, if you're into crypto, or you want to find out what the new trends are going to be, stay with us till the end of the video. And please consider supporting us and learning more by subscribing to our channel and liking this video, so we can continue doing the research for you. First things first, let's explain what the Pi network is and how it works. The most important thing that you should know about the Pi network and the Picoin is that you don't need any money to start mining or to get into the business. The Pi network app is totally free, and mining coins is also completely free of charge. This is important to know because many people are claiming that it's a scam. I don't know how it's possible for something to be a scam if it's completely free. The Pi network launched on March 14th, 2019, which is also Pi Day. The idea was started by Nicholas Kakalis, who is a Stanford PhD and teaches decentralized application on blockchain classes. Chen-Dao Fan, who is a Stanford PhD in computational anthropology, and Vincent McPhillip, a Yale and Stanford trained social movement builder. By the team that started the application and the entire project, you can see that this was planned to be a serious project. The Pi network's core team aims to give everyday people the ability to use cryptocurrency on a larger scale and in an eco-friendly way. The Pi network is a crypto that uses proof of work without the need to burn huge amounts of electricity. This is the most innovative thing about the Pi network and its coin. As you probably know, the hottest topic among crypto these days is the use of energy and green energy for mining. Pi uses consensus algorithms and is based on the Stellar Consensus Protocol and an algorithm called Federated Byzantine Agreement. You can read more about it in the Pi network's white paper on their website. Instead of using energy like in Bitcoin's proof of work consensus algorithm, SCP nodes secure the shared record by vouching for other nodes in the network as trustworthy. This is different technology than the technology used with Bitcoin. Simply put, you can mine Picoin on your smartphone without draining your battery. It is decentralized in a mobile, eco-friendly system that has the possibility to mine and trade at the same time. To start mining, the only thing you have to do is download the Pi network app from the App Store or Google's Play Store. Then, you have to sign up providing your basic info and by choosing a username for the app. Using the app is free as well as the download and everything related, so the whole process will cost you nothing, maybe just a little bit of time. At this point, you need to complete your real info in the app in order to withdraw later, because Pi network uses KYC, or so-called Know Your Customer policy, to verify the identity of its users. Basically, when you download the app and start the mining process, the only thing you have to do is click mine about every 24 hours. The app doesn't have to stay open, and you don't have to do anything else. If you invite more people to your circle, you're going to be able to boost your power for mining Pi coins. If you have invited more people, more mining power will get to your account. This means that the users have the interest to invite more people and for the network to grow. At the moment, the network of Pi users is around 19 million. Their idea is to get to 100 million users, or miners. So, this means that until we reach that number, everyone will be able to mine Picoin on their phone. When the 100 million mark is reached, the process of mining is going to stop. The idea is that the people who are getting in earlier are the ones that are going to benefit the most. The most common question is, when will my Pi wallet have Picoin inside? The answer was published recently on a Q&A from the Pi network. They said that for right now, Pi is in the testnet phase. The users, holders, and developers are waiting for the next phase, going into the mainnet. So when the mainnet goes live, that is the moment when everyone will have Pi coins in their wallets. So, if you have 1,000 Pi at the moment, in the testnet phase, the second the mainnet goes live, you are going to have the 1,000 Pi transferred to your wallet. The most realistic predictions for the Pi network to go to the mainnet is by the end of the year. The community is the most important thing for the Pi network. In their white paper is written, when the community feels the software is ready for production and it has been thoroughly tested on the testnet, the official mainnet of the Pi network will be launched. An important detail is that in the transition into the mainnet, Only accounts validated to belong to distinct real individuals will be honored. After this point, the Faucet and Pi Network emulator of Phase 1 will be shut down, and the system will continue on its own forever. Future updates to the protocol will be contributed by the Pi developer community and Pi's core team, and will be proposed by the committee. Their implementation and deployment will depend on nodes updating the mining software just like any other blockchains. No central authority will be controlling the currency, and it will be fully decentralized. Balances of fake users or duplicate users will be discarded. This is the phase when Pi can be connected to exchanges and be exchanged for other currencies. The Pi network is testing a lot of different apps as well. We have the third-party apps and the Pi browser. This is somehow a test area of how the apps and transactions are going to work when the mainnet goes live. Because we are not in the mainnet right now, the actual value of the Pi coin hasn't been traded to any markets, at least for now. When the trading starts, it is going to get its price, and the process of burning tokens will do its job very well. Most of the frustrations for now are coming from the very slow process of launching the Pi coin. But keep in mind that the test phase of Pi coin is going to be transparent and in full view of the public. You can see that there are lots of coins launched every day, but what you don't see is their testing phase. The Pi network is transparent, so they want to share the process with the public. The developers are saying that at the moment, they are building the necessary infrastructure for the Pi network and their coin. The preparations for these coins are taking so much time because the developers are saying that the idea is to make the Pi coin the most used cryptocurrency in the world. The Pi core team in their white paper said, "As the world becomes increasingly digital, cryptocurrency is the next natural step in the evolution of money. Pi is the first digital currency for everyday people, representing a major step forward in the adoption of cryptocurrency worldwide. Our mission: build a cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform secured and operated by everyday people. Our vision: build the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer marketplace, fueled by Pi, the world's most widely used cryptocurrency." What is also interesting is their marketplace. The app that already exists and can be used is called UPi. There you can find some services, but also some goods too. The app is still in a test phase as well, but it might be very interesting when more and more people start using it. For us personally, the most important thing for right now is for Pi to go on the mainnet, and after to go on the exchanges. And then you will be able to trade Pi for US dollars or any other cryptocurrencies. Some say that Pi is going to have real life use as well. They are predicting that you'll be able to use Pi coins for playing games, buying things in games, or even buying real things on the marketplace. All of this is in the field of speculations, but it is worth following the development of the project, especially because the project is completely free of charge. Let's wrap up the video with the answer to the two most common questions. Does this coin have any value? And is it a scam? These two things are kind of connected because scams usually don't have any value and vice versa. If something has a value, it most likely isn't a scam. The Pi network is building up. They have started slow, and now they have a community of more than 19 million people. Some people are saying that it's not possible to gain value from a community, but we can't disagree more. Look at meme-based coins, the Shiba Inu or Dogecoin. Their value comes directly from their popularity and from their community. So basically, the Pi coin is creating a community before launching the coin. That is what makes this idea amazing. When the coin is launched, they're going to have a community already and can start to build up value. Because of the community, the meme coins grew more than 1,000% in a fraction of time. This means this might be the case for the Pi network, except that this coin has more ideas built into it. They are moving into the market of dApps, apps. They are even testing their own marketplace and much more. This might be the answer to the question, is this coin a scam? And once again, how can something that is completely free be a scam? You can't be scammed because you aren't investing even a cent. The only thing you have to do is install the app and start mining. The second move is to invite more friends to the app so you can mine even more. It costs you nothing. If this project turns out what they're saying it's going to, then you will thank us. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support us and learn more by subscribing and liking the video. Recommend it to a friend so we could build the Pi Network community and get more benefit from it. Thank you.